Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to arrange fractions in increasing or decreasing order. We will be solving 2-3 questions in the video. So let's get started with our first example where we are arranging these fractions in descending order. First fraction is 2/9, second one is 2/3 and the third fraction is 8/21. So as we see that all of the three fractions are having different denominators. So our first step here is to find the LCM of the three denominators. So first step is to find the LCM of the three denominators. So let's find the LCM. Let's use a different color to find the LCM here on the right hand side. Our three denominators are 9, 3 and 21. And we see all three are odd numbers, so we can use 3 to divide the three numbers. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 7 is 21. Again we are going to use 3. 3 times 1 is 3, this is 1 and 7 will be as is. Next number is 7. So 7 times this is 1 and 7 times 1 is 7. So the LCM will be the product of all the three numbers, which is 3 times 3 times 7. 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 7 is 63. So the LCM of the three numbers is 63. Here we have our LCM as 63. Now we are going to make all these fractions into equivalent fractions so that they have the common denominator and we can compare them easily. First fraction is 2/9 and we are going to convert this 9 into 63 to make the denominator equal to the common denominator. So 9 times 7 is 63. So we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by 7. 9 times 7 is 63 and 2 times 7 is 14. So our fraction 2/9 is converted to 14 by 63. Second fraction is 2/3. So to convert 3 into 63, we need to multiply 3 by 21. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 21, we have 63 as the denominator. Numerator will be 2. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Numerator is 42. The third fraction is 8 divided by 21. To convert 21 to 63, we have to multiply 21 by 3. So multiplying the third fraction by 3, 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 times 21 is 63. Now we have all the three fractions having same denominator. Our fractions are 14 divided by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. We have to write these fractions in descending order. That means that we have to write the largest or the biggest fraction first. Here all the fractions are equivalent fractions. The fraction with the biggest numerator will be the biggest. So we have 42 upon 63 as the first fraction. Then we have 24 by 63 and the last fraction we have will be 14 by 63. Let's write these fractions as their original fractions which we have been given. So 42 by 63 is, we can see it here, 42 by 63 is 2 by 3, then 8 by 21 and then 2 by 9. So our fractions are 2 by 3 is the greatest fraction. Then we have 8 by 21 and then the lowest fraction is 2 by 9. This is the decreasing or descending order of the fractions. So this is how we arrange fractions in decreasing or increasing order. Let's solve one more example where we have three fractions as 2/3. One of the fraction is 2/3, another fraction is half, and the next fraction is 3/4. And we need to arrange these fractions in descending order. So here too, we are going to first convert these fractions into equivalent fraction and make the denominators of all the three fractions equal to compare them. So we'll find the LCM of the three denominators. So LCM equals, and we are going to find the LCM here on the right hand side. LCM of 3, 2 and 4. First we'll divide by 2. 3 will not be divisible, so it will be as is. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can divide by 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, so it is going to be as is. 1 will be as is and 2 times 1 is 2. Now we are going to use 3 to divide 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 1 is as is and 1 is as is. So the LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 12. So I have the LCM as 12. We are going to convert all these fractions into equivalent fractions with the denominator of 12. So 2 by 3, to make 3 into 12, we need to multiply 3 by 4. So multiplying and dividing by 4, 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 4 is 12. Next we have the fraction 1 by 2, and here we are going to multiply it by 6 cos 2 times 6 is 12. So 6 times 1 is 6 and 2 times 6 is 12. And the next fraction is 3/4. Here we are going to multiply 4 by 3 to make it equal to 12. So multiplying the fraction by 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 4 is 12. So our three fractions are 8 by 12, 6 by 12 and 9 by 12. And we are arranging these fractions into descending order. So we'll write the greatest fraction first, which is 9/12 is greater than 8/12 is greater than 6 by 12. Now we are going to write the original fractions here. This is 3/4. So 3/4 is greater than 2/3 is greater than 1/2. So this is how we arrange fractions into descending order. So for arranging the fraction in ascending or ascending order, we first need to convert these fractions into equivalent fractions, making the denominator as common denominator. So the first step will be to find the LCM or the LCD, that is the common denominator, lowest common denominator of the three fractions. So first we'll find the lowest common denominator or LCM. Then we'll make all the three fractions as equivalent fraction, and as they are now equivalent fraction having the same denominators, we can compare them easily. The higher the numerator, the greater will be the fraction. So this is how we can arrange fractions in increasing or decreasing order. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.